This week we want to take it on memory lane. Yes, memory lane. Story time. Yes, story time. When everyone heard the word story time in Jamaica, they kind of gathered around in a circle. They were ready to listen to stories about Jamaica. Stories have a great connection to the past. The Learning Journey in association with Turn It Up Tuesday, hosted by Ross Audio, presents Did You Know? And this week, it's our story time. You remember back in the days you really enjoyed stories. So here we go. Once upon a time, in a likkle district in Jamaica, there was a little boy named Mikey. And Mikey living at the hills with his mama and his daddy. In the district, there was a big cow, very dangerous one indeed, called Billy. Now, Mikey loved to play tricks on the people them in the district. He loved to see them jump and shout, but he never knew that playing too much tricks could cause problem or trouble. One sunny day, when drunk or fly high in the sky, Mikey decided to play tricks on the whole district. Him run up and down the district, they shout out, "Cow, cow, Billy the cow a come, run, run." Mikey laugh and laugh as everybody in the district drop what them was doing and run for them life. Miss Matty kick off her pot of soup, not to mention jerky. By the time him come back, every jerk chicken burn up. Not to mention the cartman who was on a slope, for him can't run down the hill. Him couldn't catch it back. Every sky juice bag fly out and the syrup buckle them mash up. The whole district after them start the panic. Them realize that Mikey was just playing tricks on them. Billy the cow was nowhere to be found. The next day, Mikey decided to play the same trick. Him run through the district shouting, "Cow, cow, Billy the cow a come, run, run." But this time, some of the people them in the district, them so vexed them not even move. They remember the last time Billy never show up. So them just stay calm and collective and just continue jerk them chicken and eat them food. Mikey feels sad and disappointed because nobody don't believe him. He thought if I'm playing too much tricks, people not gonna believe me when something really dangerous happen. Well, my friends, you know what? The very next day, while Mikey was playing near the river, him they jump up and lick in the water. And then him have fun. Him come out of the water because him get too cold and stood on a big rock. They still throw some pebble in the water. Then him see a big shadow. Him afraid to look round. By the time him look round, him see that is Billy the cow. And Billy the cow was not happy. Mikey panicked and started shouting, "Cow, cow, Billy the cow a come, run, run." Well, my friends, nobody no believe it this time. Them things him just they play tricks. Another trick. Mikey tried to run, but Billy the cow catch up with him and chase him all over the place. As a matter of fact, Billy the cow hand catch a piece of him trousers and create one piece of rip. Mikey scream and holler, but nobody no come to help him. Mikey managed to climb up a mango tree that was laden with some stringy mango and sit down on one of the branches. Then him hear a little crack, so him jump on another limb. Billy the cow was not able to reach him. By the time people realized what was happening, them start to run towards Mikey to help him. But Mikey was in the top of the tree by this time. Mikey looked down to see the whole district that looked upon him. Worried and scared, them realized that this time Mikey was not playing any tricks. Him tell them the truth, that Billy the cow was coming. Mikey felt sorry and regretful. Him realized that him shouldn't play these tricks on people in the district. Now them never believe him when it really happened and he needed help. After that day, Mikey never played tricks on nobody again. Him learned the importance of telling the truth and not playing too much pranks. And for the people in the district, them learned the importance of listening and taking other people seriously. And for Billy the cow, well, him never hurt nobody. But him never forget the day when Mikey tricked him. From that day forward, Billy always kept his eyes on Mikey. And Mikey never forget the day him cry, wolf. It was cow. And I will give you some context to that. The theme of the story is the importance of honesty and credibility. It teaches children that telling the truth is important and that repeatedly playing tricks and lying can lead to others not believing them when they are in real danger. It emphasizes the value of trust and consequences of losing the trust of people. The story also highlights the importance of listening to others and taking their words seriously. Now, I told the story about Mikey and, of course, Billy the cow. I want to tell you that the storyline was adapted using AI within a Jamaican context. The reality is that most of the content produced today was AI generated. I want you also to take a look at the images that were used in this video because it's going to be shocking. I'm consistently doing these videos to show the use of technology as you go forward. So if you're not using technology, please do. Please think about it critically. I'm just coming from a conference and the use of this form of technology will be commonplace. I want the community to embrace it and use it well. Over to you, Rossi.